You will only find a few experiences in your entire lifetime that give you as many learning opportunities as studying abroad. However, close your eyes and you'll find each and every one of these weeks and months disappear like sand through a sea. A much better plan? Dig in and rule out your entire time overseas to get the most out of your study abroad time. Watch this video till the end to know how exactly you can leverage this opportunity and how you can exploit it to the fullest for your personal and professional development. Let's start with the basic. You need to set a goal for yourself. Whether you want to master a foreign language, dive into a new major, or work towards your dream degree, don't take the study out of the study abroad. This isn't to say that you can't have fun while overseas. No doubt you'll have plenty of it. But remember that your program is, above all, a chance to obtain important skills that will serve you in your future career. Second is to immerse yourself in the local culture. Apart from knowing some of the local language, successful study abroad students actually absorb all they can about the soon-to-be adopted culture before getting on the plane. Research and investigate the current events of the country so you can already feel like you have a connection with your new home. As well as being well versed in a few topics will also give you a great opportunity to converse with people. Next is to keep your mind open. This tip is often given and for a good reason. It's absolutely essential. Don't arrive in your adopted country with a head full of stereotypes. Instead, open your eyes, relax, and breathe in the culture. Next is to take cues from the locals. Whenever you're not sure about how to behave in a particular situation, look around yourself. The locals will be the best guides you would have there. When you first arrive, it's a good idea to ask your host family or the teachers about their cultures, customs, and unspoken rules, and definitely continue to do so throughout your stay. Next is to learn new things. Sure, you must have gone to Barcelona to do a semester in Spanish or travel to San Diego to improve your English, but that does not mean that you have to block out other experiences. By saying yes to as many new experiences as you can, you will be taking home an arsenal of different skills that you hadn't imagined. Watch your hip pocket. As tempting as it may be, resist the initial urge to blow your budget. Remember, you will have to stay here in your new home for several months and your pennies need to last. To keep a reasonable budget, you can avoid paying more for services, food and transport by asking your teachers or the host families what the local prices are. Next, expand your social circle. Having at least one local friend will open doors up for you to have a better understanding of your adopted culture. Last but not the least, study. Don't lose the sight of why you are abroad in the first place. There will be times when your workload is high, you feel homesick or just don't want to study at all. But put your head down and dive right in. While it feels like a cliche, but this experience overseas truly is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. And if you take advantage of your time, you'll enjoy the benefits for years. And that's a wrap. Make sure you make the most out of your time studying abroad because undoubtedly it indeed is a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity for most of the people. If you like this video, do give us a thumbs up, and if you have any queries, drop in a comment in the comment section below. Also, don't forget to subscribe for regular updates of the study abroad world.